On YouTube, I am back with another video as always, and today I have some really sad news. My PS3 just stopped really working on me. I don't know, is it a disc tray? I don't know if you guys ever had a problem like this, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So last time I was playing Black Ops 2 till like 4 a.m. Nothing really happened. Everything was fine. The disc, this disc, I don't know, it's dirty as fuck, but the disc tray won't take it in. Like, look at that. Like, I could just take it in and out. Like, look, it's just there. I don't know. I tried messing with it. I watched the video on YouTube where you could take a butter knife and I don't know, turn the gears or something on inside of the PS3. Try that. Didn't work. Yeah, I really need to get this working. I don't know if I'm gonna get a new PS3 or not. If I don't know how I'm gonna make videos for you guys, because this is just what I base my life on. This is what entertains me. But you know, I'm watching a couple videos and watching Netflix at the same time. So I'm really bored. So I wish I could really play right now. But you see, I was really looking forward to this weekend, but it just didn't work out the way I wanted to. So I'll try to probably get something. I might even get a PS4. I don't know. Maybe it's time to upgrade. So thank all of you guys for watching. If you ever had something like this and you were able to fix it, let me know in the comments below, or maybe a link to a video. But as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace.